This weekend I cleaned our kitchen from top to bottom. But before starting such a big project, I drank a pina colada that James had made for us. The shelves were covered in a thin layer of dust, so the first step was to remove everything from them. I used a can of Pledge to clean the shelves because it works really well on wood. Next, I put all of the dirty or dusty dishes into the dishwasher. After that, I wiped down with a soapy cloth all of the bottles, knickknacks, lights, and whatever else had been in the kitchen. The soap removed the dust and oil that had built up since the last time I cleaned the kitchen, which was just before Easter. The last thing to do was to clean the countertops. This was the easiest step. The countertops are made of stone, so they are very effective at resisting stains. Now that everything had been cleaned, I returned it all to their right places, whether on the shelves, inside the cupboards, or, in the case of a large bag of dog treats, back downstairs. Test yourself on all of the language that you heard in this video. There's a free quiz located in the descriptions of this video. Give it a try, and I'll get back to you with your results. Thanks for watching.